In this video, you'll learn how to fix the high-risk detected issue in Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to resolve this problem and ensure your wallet operates. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. It is important to use a browser that you trust and that is up to date to avoid any security risks. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing Google into the address bar and pressing. Next, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your browser. After that, from the drop-down menu, select the settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your browser's functionality and security. Once you're on the settings page, look for the extensions option, which can usually be found on the left sidebar. Click on extensions to view all the extensions currently installed in your browser. At this point, scroll through the list of extensions to find Trust Wallet. This is crucial because you need to ensure that the Trust Wallet extension is properly configured. If you can't find it immediately, use the search function at the top of the extensions page. Click on the details button associated with the Trust Wallet extension. This action will open a new window displaying detailed information about the extension, including its permissions and settings. Next, locate the version section within the details window. Clicking on this section will provide you with information regarding the current version of the Trust Wallet extension you're using. Following this, if an update is available, an update button will be visible. Click on this button to initiate the update process. Keep in mind that the time it takes to update may vary based on your internet connection speed. Finally, once the update is complete, open the Trust Wallet application. It is advisable to check if the IB warning has been resolved after the update. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the extension or checking for further updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.